Hey guys, it's Naomi with SNS Rentals 101. Today we're going to go over how to work the fireplace. Your fireplace is located in the living room next to your bathroom and thermostat. It's right underneath the TV. There's two ways to turn it on. You can use the buttons and control it. The buttons on the top of the fireplace or the remote. At the beginning of your rental, the remote should be found on the top of your mantle and should be returned there when your rental is over. So using my remote, I'm going to turn on the fireplace. Going through each of the buttons, the F button is a thermostat. As you can see, it changes. It changes between 62 and 82 degrees. Our next button is this one that looks like a flame. It is a dimmer. It changes the levels of your flame. This button that looks like a wave is going to control the level of your fan. So you've got a low heat and a high heat. Once you have your low or high set, then you're going to want to set your temperature. It will then turn off. It will work when it reaches the temperature, and it will stay on consistently for 8 hours. Next we have your flame color. This changes your different colors. Last but not least, we have your timer, and basically you're going to set how many hours you would like your fireplace to run. You can go up to 8 hours. If you don't touch it, it will automatically shut off after 8 hours. A couple of housekeeping notes. One is that we do prefer that you would use the fireplace to heat your rental. The thermostat does heat the camper, but it uses a lot of propane. The fireplace uses the electric, so once you are plugged up to the electric, turn on your fireplace and you can use that for your heat. The other factor that you will want to know is that you cannot run the fireplace and the microwave at the same time. So the fireplace will need to be turned off if you are going to run the microwave.